Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your EARFUN Air Pro 4 are not charging. Firstly, I recommend to check if you have the foil on your charging contact. So right here we have golden dots on the earbuds, this one is charging contacts. Check if you have the foil. Also you can check if you have the foil at the charging case. So right here we have also charging contacts. Remove it. Now if you removed it, or you know that you have no foil, next step I recommended to clean these charging contacts. So you can apply isopropyl alcohol, if you have isopropyl alcohol, to the charging contacts and then clean it with a brush. Also I recommended to do the same for the charging contacts on your charging case. You can use a toothbrush if you haven't cleaned tool and just clean it. Now if you clean and if it also didn't help you, I recommended to check your cable and an adapter, maybe change and use another one. Also we can use wireless charging station right here. If you have wireless charging station, you just put it to the power, then you put your earbuds, the charging case at the wireless charging station, and start charging your earbuds. And if you see that it's charging, meaning that you have problem with the cable or an adapter. And also you can check USB-C port at the back side of the charging case. Right here we have it, so check is everything okay with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!